Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so we talked yesterday about the bears needing to break this pattern of higher highs and higher lows on the daily chart as we kind of just march through. They did the higher high and the higher low yesterday. However, they did break yesterday's low and glow back. So 25 half your current low, 32 half was the low from yesterday. So they have a chance, and with that chance, they have an open path to 3100 and 3090. The daily mid-band is sitting at 3090. The 9-day is sitting at 3097. So this cluster of let me come in one here. So this little cluster of these two moving averages is a nice place for the bears to head for a test and to get started if they want to try to pull this back. In the bigger picture, you've got a lower high versus the move up to the 3230 area. You've got higher lows here versus here. So if we're here and then we're here, I mean, I don't think it's a triangle. This frankly is a higher high versus this. But what you do have, no matter what you're looking at here, is you're starting to have, this is some more consolidation. It's consolidation. Just like we consolidated a little bit back here, we're consolidating a little bit here. What I'd love to see is some kind of a range-bound situation where we just go ahead and come back in. It can do this all summer long. In about 150 handle range, that's some really nice trading. And if the bears can just be present and execute really only on the stuff that's just so friggin' obvious that they should go ahead and make a little bit of a move on, that's what you'll get. It's when the bears just simply are steamrolled constantly that we end up in the other situation, which is fine. My only issue with that is everybody wants to fight it. It's harder for people to trade. It's almost impossible for people to kind of get out of their head and believe in. And keep their, get out of your head and get on the chart. I mean, that's what I say in the room. It's like, get out of your head. Get out of your head. It doesn't matter if you think that it's gone up too far or you think that the fundamental, whatever fundamental piece of whatever is, says that it doesn't matter. Price doesn't care. Price does not care. Price is price, and that's it. That being said, price is now making a lower low versus yesterday. And that opens up a move to the roundie. 3100, potentially a little bit deeper. At that point, if we do come down here, then the bears are going to have to show up. They're going to have to be present, and they're going to have to execute. If they can do that, we can head to the lower end of this range. If not, what you're left with is a really bullish scenario where they pull it back and they bounce it right off of the 9-day, 3100, and the daily mid-band. That, more likely than not, takes out this high and challenges this high. So that's what we're left with right now. Hourly chart. You can see it coming in. Weekly pivots down here with the daily mid-band, 88 to 90. That's still a ways off. You've seen the hourly mid-band want to be resistance. 3150 was a big level last night. That was our bull-bear line. Our marker was 47, and it yielded a couple of really nice trades. We're flat going into the open. We're going to stay that way. But you can see the consolidation here, up, flat line, did a little overshoot, and that little bit of China currency news yesterday, not last night, but 2 nights ago, kind of shook it out of its normal rhythm, brought it in, and then we did a lower high here. This is also a really nice move down yesterday afternoon. It moved farther than you would have thought for how it traded. I mean, it was just a slow, steady, here, watch this. Oh, wow, we're 30 handles lower than we were. We're 40 handles lower than we were. The work that the bears put in yesterday afternoon into the close was the most solid piece of work they put in easily in the last 5 or 6 sessions. It was just a very deliberate move down. And they need to continue to control these closes and execute. If they do that, then we'll see a steady move back in to these key areas here. For the open today, you've got hourly mid-band 42.25, Volume weighted average price is sitting at 39.25. Madonna 37.5. 5-minute mid 40.5. So it's all kind of jammed in. 37.5 to 42. Daily pivot is up above. 50 is a big deal. Then you've got the lows of the day down in the 25s. But your chunk of price that has to get decided 9:30 this morning Eastern time is 36 to 42. All right, everybody. Take care. Have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.